I don't know about you, but I'm going a little bit stir crazy. I'm gonna go out and see if I can find a nursery that's open and buy just a couple of little things so that I can come back and do just a little bit of gardening. So let's go see if we can find something open. Okay. You know, I have a confession to make. That garden shed type thing up there is just not going to be remotely convenient to use because, first of all, I have to move my car out of here, which means I have to move my car somewhere. I have to get on a ladder and just fish around for stuff. And I mean, what I need to do is just do a project where I move my car for the morning and I go in there and I sort everything out because I don't know where a spade is. You know, I know where my dirt is. The dirt that I have here is in that one bucket, but you know, getting to everything, that's going to be challenging. Well, anyway, let's go see if anything's open. Now, I'm sorry, but my new car beeps constantly trying to get out of here because it's so tight. It's not too bad right now because the person next to me is not parked there. First stop is Armstrong Nursery, and we'll see if they're open. Gardening is not exactly an essential business. I mean, it's essential to eat, therefore it's essential to grow your own food. It's open. Are we up for this? I guess so. Let's prepare. If nothing else, I'll just walk around and fantasize. How do I look? Well, I have to say, that was the least rewarding visit to a nursery I've ever had. Oh, wow. You can't go in the store, but you can wait in line and just ask for a few simple things and they'll go get them and then you can pay, and that's what I did. So, because I don't have any of my stuff, I need to transplant, pot up those little tomato plants that are growing in one of my citrus trees, because they do kind of require different kinds of fertilizer. I bought some very small, inexpensive pots. I got some 6-foot bamboo stakes, and I got 1 bag of Dr. Earth potting soil. So we're just going to go home and pot up those tomatoes. Keep it simple. What I wound up buying is I got Dr. Earth, this is tomato vegetable fertilizer, and of course I have a lot of fertilizer up there somewhere, but I bought 3 1-gallons and 3 2s. Now, normally I would put my azomite and a bunch of other goodies in here. That's not happening. And you know what I forgot to get is the little trays to go underneath. I'm going to put this in dry. It's not something I usually do. This is not exactly an ideal setup for gardening. I'm just going to put, just to say I did, 2 handfuls of compost in each one. And now we're going to go up to the container garden. And somehow I'm going to dig out those tomato plants without a trowel. Okay, I am going to attempt to take these tomatoes out and put them in here. Clearly, I need to go get some more dirt. Remember, this had nothing growing in it, so I'm going to take the dirt. Since I have a little bit of dirt left, and this does have holes in the bottom, I'm just going to get this other one while I'm here. It's very temporary, okay? The last thing I'm going to do is wrap my blueberries with red foil. Thanks so much for watching my premiere exercise in gardening at my new location. And hopefully when all this craziness with the coronavirus ends, I will be back on the search for Late Bloomer Garden 2.0, where I can garden to my heart's desire. In the meantime, I hope to continue to bring light into your life and good cheer and inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, sharing my channel, liking my videos, joining our live streams Wednesday at 4 p.m. and Sunday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'll see you in the next video. Where are the birds? I need the birds to just fly through. All quiet on the Western Front. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.